Good morning, highly esteemed professor. Um, I'm gonna show you a few runs of this project I have. I'm running this one to show you that the collisions are being processed correctly in this concave edge. I'm just gonna quickly fix this right here. Just to show you that I also have the debug circle, or sorry, the circle shape working up here on my distorted little bird. And then the other things that you are looking at here are this is my person with the bird head. When I was building my system, I used this asterisk little thing to add fixture by fixture until I had a working system. So that's why I just left it in. And then if I replay this, you'll see that this bird has collision filtering. And it passes through these other two objects. And then also when I uncomment these two, you will see that the legs of the bird person suddenly have their collision off. So all the collisions are now, for this complex character, are just the wood, the glass, and the bird head. So what I did for that is I created this complex character, um, which just which has its own body. I guess you can see better in here. Has its own body, and when that's created, the body is set up, and then these little components, the complex components, I've named them, have their own fixtures, and they set up their fixtures when they are created. No, so sorry. When they are assigned to their complex character. Yes. At that point, when a component is assigned to the complex character, with this, the character initiates the physics and then stores them. This could be done using the attorney client pattern, I believe it's called, but I haven't done that. So just mentioning that that could be there. The way that I'm doing the filter, and then just before that, you'll see that when a complex character is deleted, all of the components are deleted along with that, and they're just stored in this little vector. So you'll see that when the complex character, that's some bad formatting. When the complex character is deleted, all these complex components are also deleted. Let's just, while we're here, add a \n. So for the collision filtering, if we jump into, let's say, the bluebird. Oh, actually, I don't need to. So sorry. This is full base class. If we jump to the character, we have this set. I don't use set filter category anymore, but I do use set filter mask. The set filter mask is set up at a base level to work for multiple fixture lists, or sorry, multiple fixtures per body. Even though I don't have everything set up to have multiple fixtures, it works with everything. This loop was taken from the Box 2D documentation. So I just want to be clear, I did not write this one line of code that came from the documentation, but it works. And it sets the filter data for every fixture. So when it comes to the complex characters, complex characters don't derive from character, which is a good naming scheme, but we won't even get into that. It uses the same process for that. And then the complex components, because they don't have a body, or they don't use the built-in game object body that comes with the character. I've just overridden that to work the same way, but to use their characters, the complex character's body. The last thing is that I just threw in a simple factory for the bangs. So if we jump just for a moment into the physics, we see that there's a contact listener now. I haven't really done a lot to it. This is still pretty similar. We have the bang factory. I forget where it even affects. That's where I store that. It's the factory that we used in the engine sequence. So it's pretty similar to that. Not a lot to see. But it can be expanded for using more things. And I haven't edited the contact listener a lot because I think that's what we're going to be doing this week. So I have left it pretty much the same. And then the physics manager is responsible for taking care of it. Let's see, where is it? Yep, it has its pointer to pointer, ownership, contact listener, and then it's responsible just for destroying it. So if we run this one more time, it's got to build really quickly. Boom, we got a few bangs going. All of our bangs are deleted. There were only 5 active ones. I'm sure you're going to run the memory. I'm pretty sure I was checking the memory earlier, and it looked like it was fine, so I won't take up any more of your time. I will see you in class. Thank you so much.